Hi guys, so welcome to another vlog. Today I am going to be shooting a video in my room. So I actually thought कि I will talk about the process साथ साथ हम बातें करेंगे, चीज़ें देखेंगे and देखते हैं कि क्या होता है आज because my back hurts, but that's not the point. I'm still gonna create content. Let's do it. So the idea behind today's video is actually जो आजकल मैं ट्रेंड देख रही थी कि टिकटॉक वगैरह पे ना कि लड़की जो होती है वो नॉर्मल से तैयार हुई भी होती है and then she lights up her matches and then she's all glammed up. So I'm making like a funny counterpart of that trend. Where I'm gonna make is kind of funny, but I'm gonna keep it as a surprise. Watch at the end of this video to see कि मैं क्या बना रही हूँ. But now let's do the makeup. I've actually turned on the ring light, but I'm gonna turn it थोड़ा सा low today ताकि मैं साथ साथ पहले makeup कर लूँ. I look disheveled, but look at this. I've actually just upgraded. I got a GoPro Hero 9 and I'm actually really happy with it. My room is messy as ever because it would not be me if I was not messy. So let's get the makeup done. थोड़ा सा कमरे को मेरे आप लोग ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लिया करें क्योंकि ओए कमरा जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा डिसहेबल्ड किस्म का है. मेरा पंखा जो था वो रिसेंटली ख़राब हो गया था तो उसकी वजह से आई बॉट इन अ पेडेस्टल फैन एंड इट्स बिन जस्ट लाइक a little crazy क्योंकि वीडियोस के लिए मैं एसी चला लेती हूँ बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैं जहाँ मुड़ती हूँ मुझे अपने साथ पंखा यूं करना पड़ता है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हॉट. इट्स सितंबर एंड इट्स स्टिल so hot. I don't know what is going on, but whether it's time for fall. Did no one give you the memo? I've recently started using this Ordinary का ये जो पता नहीं क्या natural moisturizing factors हैं before my makeup and it actually works really nicely. So I just like क्योंकि छोटी सी बॉटल अगर मैं हर वक्त लगाना शुरू करूँगी तो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो I just keep it like for like makeup वाला part. I put it on before my makeup. मैं मेकअप जो है वो इतने जंगलियों की तरह करती हूँ. जब मैं हॉस्टल में होती थी ना तो सारे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह लोग सारे तैयार होते थे साथ तो ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स इन हॉस्टल यूज टू से कि तुम तशद्दुद क्यों करती हो अपने ऊपर जब तुम कुछ भी तुमने मुंह पे लगाना होता है बॉडी पे लगाना होता है बिकॉज आई लाइक डोंट रियली केयर कि प्यार से करूँ. I'm like slapping myself or something. It freaks people out but it's okay. I have a YouTube channel. Nothing is hidden from you guys. I don't know how nicely but the makeup is coming together. I want to go for like a mustard look but abhi pura nahi hua but I just wanted to give you an idea what I'm going for today. So I hope you guys like it. Let's set up the camera first and then start shooting. Let's do it. A pro tip on setting up the camera when you're shooting yourself is what I basically do is I set up the camera with the app and then I shoot accordingly अपने फ़ोन से देख के. It makes it really easy to shoot and handle everything that I'm doing साथ साथ. So I shot the video and this is how I look. I am so funny, like this is so weird. I look so funny but I hope you guys like the video. You can go on Instagram and check it out. So I washed my face and अब जो है मैं data copy करने लगी हूँ. This is part where I am going to be sitting for hours editing the video that I just made. That's part of the fun as well because I love editing. What is wrong with your speech, Aisha? But recently I just got a new laptop and उसके अंदर वो USB-C slot है, USB वाली slot नहीं है so I had to order a converter. What is up with Apple? Like मतलब चीज़ें सारी दो ना भाई. Like इतना एक तो चीज़ महंगी और ऊपर से पूरी भी नहीं. I mean को पूछने वाला नहीं है ना इनको इसलिए. So I had to order this small wire. My friend got it from me. वो अभी आ रही थी शुक्र उसकी flight थी. She got it. So let's copy the data and then let's see कि कैसी बनी है video. So the data is getting copied from here to here. Waiting. I really need to fix my routine. It's the worst routine on the planet. I stay up all night पिछले 2-3 हफ्तों से and I think I need to fix it. I need to fix it. It's morning and मैं सोई नहीं हूँ So let's see what the day holds because I'm going to sleep now. So it's the second day of shooting. Today I'm shooting with a sari, another transition video that I'm doing, but this one is fun. Another transition already chal rahi hai, uske upar I'm gonna play around. I am all dressed up as you can see, and next I'm gonna sit down. जैसे होता है ना normal सा बंदा आता है and then they sit down and वो all glam up हो जाते हैं, तो I'm playing on that. What I'm gonna be doing is I am all glammed up already. I have my makeup done and I have my lipstick and I have my really nice sari जिसका ही मैंने hijab बनाया. It's very interesting. I should like show you guys how to do this sometime. But so when I sit down, I'm gonna be all messed up like जैसे मैं अभी सो के उठी हूँ या फिर you know after a long time or session of self-care, it's gonna be something like that. So it's very interesting. Let's see what it turns out. I don't know. मेरा कैमरा जो था उसका SD कार्ड फुल हो गया है, so I was transferring photos to my phone, but they're taking so much time. Okay, I am just like sitting here glammed up and I have nothing to do. My room is always a mess and I have no idea what to do. जल्दी हो जा.